Add 6 knots. Peak gusts 13 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition broken at 3,200. Temperature 25 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 3002 inches of mercury. Remarks. Density altitude 1500. Lightning missing. Jacksonville Furlong Airport on
traffic stop 11005 miles north west inbound Furlong.
Just stay up here. So the winds are 04, right? You got that part?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's
so 07 is a 3 degree off.
3 degree off.
And half of that is 1.5, so I'm going to add 2 miles an hour.
No, the question I had was what's your crosswind component? 30 degrees off the nose, what's your crosswind component? You only got to remember 3 numbers, 5, 7, and 9, so it's half if it's 30 degrees off. So it's anywhere from 3 to 6, depending on the gust.
Okay.
Crosswind.
Okay.
Could have as much as 6. As far as your gust factor, yeah, you're going to add about 3 knots for gust factor. 3 miles an hour. 3 knots, miles, it doesn't matter at this point, small. So your approach speed's more like 68 for gust factor. Right, those are the 2 pilot math numbers. So we're going to do first one will be tell you what, let's do the first one as a soft field simulated with the ground effect push, and then at 60, we'll leave the flaps at 10.
Traffic, Cessna 7989.
And let's see if you can get the nose up to keep 60 as your. That makes sense what I'm asking?
So we're going to leave it at 10 and nail
right.
60.
We're going to do bulk. We'll leave it at 10. It's one less thing to worry about. So we're going to do this soft field approach where as soon as you touch down, I want you to maintain back, but you're going to maintain back pressure, right? Max power, carpet in, drop it to 10. As soon as you lift off the ground, which is going to be before 60, so you got to push the nose over, get to 60 before you pull away from ground effect. Did all that make sense?
Yes.
Clear as mud?
Yep.
All right. Basically hit the deck, max power, drop to flaps 10, stay in ground effect until you're 60, and then rotate. It's same. I just said the same thing a different way. Sorry.
You want to let everybody know I'm entering the downwind?
Absolutely.
Don't see anybody.
Hello, traffic stop 1100 left downwind runway 87. Hello.
All right, soft field. I'm a little close.
Long traffic, Cessna 7989 uniform departing runway 7.
Is it me or is he really
Long traffic.
dim?
He's really dim, yeah.
All right, because the radio was fine at this volume for everybody else. Okay, I just want to make sure I'm not.
Yeah, he's taking the runway right now, so we should have plenty of time, but we'll watch in a second. All right. Oh, man. Fuel selector. Where is it? Oh, the mixture. Back to Rich. Please check your seatbelts. Carb heat's already on, landing lights on. We're going to try a 65 mile an hour. Lap 30.
So why are you at 95, do you know?
Because I had too much descent speed.
No.
I haven't pulled my flaps yet.
There you go.
I did that twice today.
Ah, that's okay.
It's not.
Well, it's not something that's gonna, you know, it's not a safety thing. It's a duh thing, you know.
Yeah.
As worst comes to worst, you catch it on the base. Like, ah, dang it.
This is 7, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, traffic, south 1100, left base, runway 7, hello.
Okay, short field, I had a couple for Gus.
Long traffic 7989 uniform turning left crosswind runway 7, Harlan.
And it's going to be a left to right crosswind. If there is any. Obviously, it's going to be what it is.
A little long.
Oh, this is good.
Hello, traffic, south 1100, final 7, touch and go, hello.
Yeah, I see that left to right. So, soft field, take it down, and
Long
nice.
traffic 7989 uniform turning left downwind runway 7, Harlan.
Roger, traffic, KV 154, channel is 8 to the south, you're getting pinned on the VOR.
Are you staying low intentionally, or are you just low?
I'm just slow.
Yes, let's get it back up. Especially because if this were soft field, there's probably trees right there. You know what I mean? In the real world. I'll go low again. Here we go. Very good. Don't carry power past the numbers here. There we go. Just keep programming it up. Now you.
I went too far with the flaps.
No, you didn't keep enough back pressure.
Long traffic 7989 uniform turning left base runway 7.
I get the controls real quick, if you don't mind.
The controls, I don't.
Let's do a little.
Got him? Okay.
Yeah, oh yeah, I do. Okay. I know, mess. I say I got him, and then I'm like, oh, hey.
You sure?